Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about final keyword in Java, part of Programming in Java course. In Java, the final keyword is used to indicate that a variable, method or class cannot be overridden or subclassed. Here are some examples of how the final keyword is used in Java. A final variable. In this example, the variable x is declared as final and its value cannot be changed after it is initialized. A final method. In this example, the method draw is declared as final in the superclass shape, so it cannot be overridden by the subclass circle. We'll have a compile time error when we try to implement draw method in circle class. A final class example. In this example, the class shape is declared as final, so it cannot be subclassed by circle. It is important to note that a final variable can be assigned a value only once, and a final method cannot be overridden by a subclass, and a final class cannot be extended. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.